Hey, puppy. Okay, so today's adventure is to Widgeon Falls. It's in Pitt Lake. This is where you start, right over there. You have to kayak across down this cave. It's about a 5-hour adventure in total. I'm really excited because I haven't kayaked to like a waterfall before, and I'm with some really cool friends over there. So yeah, let's have some fun.
Don't worry, my friend, it's all just a game anyhow.
This is Whitney. She's all the way from California visiting here in BC. How do you like it?
I love it. It's the best.
See you on the other side. See through broken glasses. No law that says that we need to thrive.
We've decided just to walk this part. It's easier.
We don't need to thrive. See you on the other side.
Pepper the adventure dog. Made it to the campground. So it took us exactly 2 hours to get here because we had to do a bunch of portages. We were going against the tide and the wind, but we made it, and it's going to be about an hour hike to the waterfall.
What you want's not always what you need. Step on, watch me bleed.
We made it! Oh, you can totally jump into these. How's the water?
Aren't stopping my cold.
Yes. Is it? Can you tell me if it's deep here?
Pretty
Okay.
We don't need to thrive. We don't need to
So this is Widgeon Creek Falls, a definite success. Didn't even know that you could cliff jump off of there, but you can. It's not very deep, so be very careful. We swam under first to check, and definitely swim in this pool. Highly, highly recommend this trip. It is amazing. The water's cold. Definitely worth doing. So the hike was about half hour back. It took us maybe 40-45 minutes there because we took lots of photos. Really quick. And now it's time to kayak back. I'm ready to be pushed. And back in the water, headed across the lake. You guys ready? So ready? This is the end of the river, and this is the start of the lake, so we just have to get across, and we're done. All in all, a 6-hour adventure. Really good, highly recommend it. See you guys next time.